What does that flame make you feel?
The flame in the Arc makes me feel super proud, right? It's a feat of engineering. The reason that the Arc is called the Arc is because we have an incredible arcing yellow flame that is built to simulate that of a wood fire like a professional oven. When we've changed the shape of the burner head, it comes out as a wall of fire that still fully rolls over the internal dome. We have a slightly wider burner now, and the burner is recessed into the wall inside. It actually splays the flame and spreads the flame across the roof of the oven. That creates a level of consistency from front to back and left to right. You get this amazing amount of cooking space. You can see into the oven really easily. It's got a high mouth and a wide mouth, but it's exceptionally insulated so it doesn't lose its heat. It retains its heat. It retains this incredible cooking performance, so you have to turn less frequently. It's much more forgiving, it's easier to actually bake a pizza, and you get much better results time after time.